The FDA says the Pfizer vaccine is safe. An advisory panel will vote tomorrow on emergency use authorization. If approved, Philadelphia could start offering the vaccine as early as next week. Eyewitness News reporter Carabeo brings us up to date on the city's plans to roll out the vaccine.
Philadelphia health officials say the first shipment of a coronavirus vaccine with tens of thousands of doses could be just a week away.
If it's approved later this week, we are likely to start offering that vaccine here in Philadelphia next week.
Health Commissioner Dr. Thomas Farley says Philly will get vaccine shipments directly from the CDC. Meantime, the state will receive and disperse supplies to other locations.
Our first priority group is going to be healthcare workers who are routinely exposed to coronavirus, and we'll widen the group that gets vaccine as more vaccine becomes available.
Dr. Farley says hospitals will decide which individuals get the vaccine first and will also be in charge of administering it. Next in line for the vaccine will be vulnerable populations and essential workers.
We won't know how many doses we get until we actually get them.
And a vaccine can't come fast enough. Philly is now dealing with another sharp increase in COVID-19 cases, this time linked to Thanksgiving. Meantime, businesses continue to struggle under tightened restrictions.
Now that it's getting a little bit colder, we've shifted again to pickup and delivery.
Bobby Sarasoglu, owner of Stina Pizzeria in South Philly, is just trying to survive. The city could soon help. A new city council bill passed unanimously last week and awaiting the mayor's signature would freeze restaurant evictions for 6 months if certain requirements are met. Restaurant owners applaud the move but say more help will eventually be needed.
If we can't pay our rent now, how are we going to pay our rent in 6 months with all that back rent due? I mean, it's not going to be really easy to do.
Now, indoor dining is still banned in Philadelphia through at least the new year. And Dr. Farley says if there were more stringent restrictions like that in place statewide, then health officials would be able to better control the spread of the virus. In Manayunk, Carabeo, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.